We have a special guest today helping us build our 2022 Subaru BRZ. We have tons of parts to install, so let's get in the garage and get them installed. But let's not forget, you can win this beautiful car plus $20,000 in cash. We are also running 2x entry from now to Sunday, so get your entries in. First of all, my boy, Mr. King Gary Jr. himself.
Thank you for having me.
Here.
They brought me back down here to help, and I'm not gonna be lazy and use the bathroom for 2 hours.
Yeah, that never happened. Right here we have our high rev taillights, and these are the Elite series. Let's unwrap it for them, Gary.
These suckers are pretty nice.
These are the taillights for this car, and check this out. This is the smoke series, so they have the clear one and the smoke, and these things look pretty amazing. I don't know if you can actually see the design, or if you want to get closer, but they look pretty cool, and I can't wait to see them installed. Have you even done taillights on the 86 before?
No, I've never touched anything this new before.
Well, me either. So we're gonna find out how this thing works. You already got it out!
That was pretty simple. I was expecting this to be a lot harder.
That's what she said.
And that's what I was trying to explain. It seems like they thought about the person that's gonna own the vehicle, that's gonna be modifying it to make everything look and be able to be replaced easily.
The moment of truth. Ready. Ooh. I wasn't expecting all that. They got a little sequential. Turn the blinker on. Hit the brakes. Yeah. All right.
Some keepers?
Some keepers, certified. I thought since they're tinted, I didn't know they was gonna be bright, but they're still bright even though they're tinted, so that's perfect. And look at that, that's smooth.
Hey Ricky, come check them out.
Right?
Oh, wow. I like that better, way better. This is really sick. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Oh, let's check out the reverse lights.
Oh yeah, throw it in reverse.
Yeah. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
Yeah. Oh, the reverse lights are at the bottom. I got so excited, man. Turn it back on. That part right there. That remind me of RoboCop's mask when he come in. Freeze. Punk. You have the right, what's he say? You got the right to shut the up.
You can't say that.
Oh.
You can't. I mean, you can. Wait, so that's not reverse lights?
No, so no.
No, the reverse it on the bottom.
You gotta see the.
Oh!
Like, so when he turns on the day running lights, watch. It look like RoboCop.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. I like that.
Do y'all do that here? Do y'all insert clips of Night?
Yeah.
Do your fan base know who Knight Rider is? David Hasselhoff.
Knight Rider.
Oh, I'll see you later.
Next up is gonna be the headlights, which for that, we gotta remove the front bumper, which for that, the car's gotta be on the lift. So let's get on the lift.
They didn't tell me this much work was needed. I gotta go.
For our next part in the vehicle, it's gonna be this beautiful headlights, huh, Gary?
That's right. These brand new Alpha Rex headlights are going on this beautiful BRZ, and Mr. Ricky's going to go over the features to let you know what you can expect to get out of these.
Well, first of all, let's not lie. These headlights, the original ones, they really look pretty sick. They look badass. But this ones,
Ooh.
these ones look way better. This one actually have a sequential turn signal that obviously when you use the turn signal it'll happen, and it also has an activation feature that happens when you start the vehicle or you unlock it, which you'll get to see very, very soon. These things are plug and play, and if you guys are interested on these headlights, you guys can also go to the link description below to get yourself one. For now, let's just put it on, and I'll give you more information as I'm installing them. Headlights!
This out the way. My boy, can you put this over there so I don't...
Nah. Just kidding.
Spider-Man in this. They say that a hero can save us. I'm not going. Kobe Bryant. Damn, these Viper chairs are good. You ain't never.
The only piece that we have to transfer over from the headlights is this plastic piece. That what it does, it just holds the bumper in frame, and it's as easy as that. Everything is plugged in. I even did the DRL harness. It is completely installed. You can't even see it because I'm that good. Stop the cap. So we're gonna throw the bumper. Good. We're gonna throw the bumper on now.
Pretty good.
All right. Go, King Gary Jr.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, bro.
Huh?
You.
Ow.
How do you know the cycle's up?
Because, bro, it says up. That's what happens when you work at Hoonigan. You could read.
You sure about that? No comments. I'm Puerto Rican. I can't read.
Rick's on the ground. Rick's on the ground.
I'm Pickle Rick!
You know what you're doing in under there?
Not really. I was trying to take a nap, but you interrupted me, bro.
Get your ass up. We got to get this car done. It's only got X amount of weeks before it goes to a new home.
Waiting on you, bro. You're supposed to be helping me.
Bro, I did everything. I tightened the top bolts. What you mean? What you think, boss man?
I think they look sick, but do they work?
Do they work? Do they work?
Do they work?
You like?
I like playing the games. Let's play a game. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna look at this car, and we're gonna see if the lights work. You guys tell me if the lights work.
Yeah. Because that's literally how
work?
They work.
I guess we did a good job, huh, Ricky? You know, we did the job. The good is good. The job is done. You did it. We did it together.
What?
Look, your headlights work.
Of course they work. Who installed them?
Us.
Gary?
Gary installed it by himself.
No.
Good job, Gary.
I didn't do anything. I did stuff. Again. Yes, man.
Have we turned the headlights on? Have we showed them?
Oh,
Yeah, they were just on. What do you mean?
No, he only pressed the on. I'm talking about the full motion of the headlights.
see it.
Come on, dog.
Ready?
Get it.
All right. Did anything turn on?
No.
No. Whoa, look at that. Bam. That's sick. All right, so I was saying like the original ones look good, but this is way better already.
Every car y'all build just gets better. Wait till y'all give away like a Ferrari or like a SVJ Lamborghini. Hey, dog, that's not that. The budget gets builder. It's for those kids who don't know about y'all yet. What's that thing? What I say? Every entry you buy gets you entered to win this car. Yeah, there you go. He knows. Every dollar you spend at throtl.com or hoonigan.com gets you entered to win this.
I can't with this
All
guy.
right, wait, let's show them the startup sequence one more time though. That was cool. They all missed it.
Let's see here. You ready? Boom. That's rad. Jump roping or boom.
That's sick.
That is pretty badass. The original was definitely don't do that.
Wait, we didn't see the high beams though. Oh, or the
That's right.
blinkers.
You look great, man. I can barely see you though. This is my statue, Mr. Gary. Up next, we have our IRP short shifter, and this thing. Here, let me help you out. You know how to use one of those?
No, I usually just don't need no stinking knife.
Well, I do.
You know.
Hey, hardware, bro.
Oh shoot, I didn't even know. My bad. This is a short shifter.
Yeah.
This low key kind of long.
But yes, So, believe it or not, this is gonna reduce our throw shift by 60%. That's more than 50.
I mean, he would know better than me.
I'm assuming it comes like this because of shipping. So we are going to put, oh my
This
God.
is well packaged.
Look at this, look at
right?
this. All right, we're gonna put this thing together real quick, and then we're gonna show you what it actually looks like when it's mounted. And from here, we're gonna go to inside the car. We're gonna take it apart from the inside. We're gonna lift the car up. And we're gonna take it apart from the bottom side.
He's talking to me as if I don't know what to do. I honestly don't.
I was gonna say, have you ever installed this shifter?
No, never. I've never even touched one of these outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We are going to improve the car, not keep it OEM. That's what we do. We improve it.
Can you improve my Prius?
Your Prius?
Yes.
Did you actually have one?
I have a Gen 2 Prius.
How do you like it?
I love Priuses.
Really?
It's the best car ever.
Should we do a Prius in the channel? Should we do Gary's Prius in the channel? Let's get to work. Shift is assembled. The next part is to go inside the car and take apart the top side of the original shifter out. And then from there, we'll get the car up and we'll start working on the bottom. But let me show you. Shifter's gonna come out. This cover's gonna come out. This area's gonna come out. And then there's gonna be a bunch of bolts that we gotta start removing stuff. So let's start with the shifter. Or you know what? Let's see how. That's third.
All right, that's the before right there.
Dude, it's past the button. It's like right here.
Yeah.
Right? That is very long actually, especially my cars. They will have short shifters, they're very short. Oh, I took the ball off and it feels even longer now. We're gonna lift the car up and get the rest of it from the bottom. Ready?
I think you gotta go a little higher. I think Gary's too tall for
Gary,
you.
can you fit here?
You're good. You're good. I can just do this.
We're gonna take this off. Oh, I need 12.
Bruh, man, how you be this short? This isn't fun.
How tall are you?
6'2".
Oh,
I'm not that. I'm not super tall.
No, that's pretty tall.
That is pretty tall.
That's above average.
What's average for a guy?
I think 5'10", 5'9".
Yeah, I think
What
5'10"
the-
or 5'9".
So I'm short?
You're tall where it
No,
makes sense.
I want you to Google this. What does Google say?
it, Gary.
Hey Siri, what's the average height for a male? 5'10",
Ooh.
yeah, just under 5'10".
So 5'9".
Yeah, 5 to be exact, 5.93 inches.
Oh, it's basically 5'9".
Yeah.
Damn.
How tall are you? Like 5'7"? Don't feel bad. You're
I
like-
feel horrible now.
You're like average height for an Hispanic male. Hey Siri, what's the average height for an Hispanic male? 5'7".
I'm average! You see these braids here? This whole braid.
Yeah.
Whole braid's gotta be completely removed from there.
How?
Which means this transmission needs to be lower, this drive shaft needs to be lower, and it'll probably be smart for us if we take this off.
We gotta do all this for a short shifter?
Yeah. Takes work, baby. You want 60% less? You better come back when you drop the
Scary.
Right? I'm just like, oh yeah, it's just a normal day.
Let me see that, Ryan.
It's like Subaru, like in the near future, this is gonna end up on somebody's E36. So how much power does this transmission hold, do you think? Like probably like 6? I'm not gonna say.
Quinn would have the best guess.
Quinn, how much power do you think these transmissions can hold?
I'm going 400 pound-feet before
Okay.
you start having real problems.
You think this is built like a KA trans?
I'm betting it's about as strong as an S2000 trans.
No clutch kicking the shit out of this then.
With stock power, probably.
Yeah, anything. Alright.
But you put a spoolie boy on there and you start abusing her. I bet you could push 600 through this car and drive it nice and be fine.
Okay.
But if you put 6 in it and you go drive it like you want to drive it, toast.
We have everything done at the bottom, well, for now. Now it is time to put our IRP short shifter in. I'm gonna be inside the car, they're gonna bring me up. I'm gonna put the air shifter down, I'm gonna bolt it all down, and Gary from the bottom is gonna feed me the rod that goes through here. Actually, I just remember, you have to put the pin and the washer at the bottom.
Do I?
Because from the original one, you get it from the top, because this is gonna be sealed.
Oh.
I can't access it, so I have to give you the washer and the C-clip and the tool. Once that's on, you're gonna bring me back down, we're gonna raise the car up, and we're gonna start assembling everything from the bottom.
The coffee's got me zooming.
Do you want coffee?
Y'all need y'all roof washed?
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Bam! You want to see the shift throw? 60% less, way shorter. Reverse. Boom. Feels really good. This is exactly how I like my shifters. I like them notchy. And this is like a very, very light notch. It's not even like hard. I like them like really like hard. But this is like really short, very crisp. You can tell when it's going into gear, and there's no guessing when you go in what gear you're going to. It is very crisp. It's nice. You should try it.
Get out my car.
First of all, let me turn that off before you run through the wall.
Me? No. This is so nice.
Trying to drift already?
Something like that. Boy, that's nice. Let me stop before I break this car. Damn, that actually moves. It's not all clunky. This sucker's smooth. Let's get to 6. That's 5th. Okay, all right. That's super smooth, boy. And to see, look, I can put my hand out the window. Oh, don't mark it up. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This is what y'all be doing. Hit the little second real quick. Okay.
What do you think about this thing?
This is actually not like I am comfortable. Like this as far as the seat goes back. Granted, there's back seats, but like, bro, I'm not like everything.
You're 6'2"?
Yeah.
Fit in here?
6'2", 300 pounds. Like everything is right here. Even if I was like a short little. But it like is where you are is where this is positioned. So like me, it's perfect. This is here, this is here. Look at how big this screen is. Like this is nice. They know what they're doing. Good job, Subaru or Toyota. Or got all these extra buttons. What's this trunk? Oh, what's this, bro? They got. Oh, what?
Wait, have you never drove a BRZ?
I've driven it once, but I've never sat in it for this long. Yeah. Usually we have one at the yard, but it's just like not a BRZ. I've only driven the GR86, so I can notice already for all the dudes that are like, what's the difference? Like this has a lot more features. Like on I think on the GR, this is an aluminum. This doesn't light up. Yeah, like it's just like buttons. So like right here, like bro, I can have it hot on this side, and it tells me you can have it hot on this side. Does it have a butt cooler though?
I don't know.
No, just seat warmers. What's this button? Oh, track mode.
Track mode?
Track mode off. I'm trying to turn that off. All right.
Traction off.
Traction. No, it's got the stuff in the steering wheel too.
He's a fan.
That's it. Like, cause like when I do this, like it doesn't distract you. Like I don't have to look over here and look. Like everything's here. I can see out the back window. There's not. What I like is not a gang of blind spots either. Oh, sorry. I was just admiring y'all car.
This thing looks sick rolling down the road. What do you think?
I want one of these. May I get one of these, boss man?
Not this one. Pretty cool. How's the shifter?
It's smooth. It's smooth. I thought it was gonna be super clunky and notchy. It's not. Like I could just roll through them and know which gear was which. I didn't get like.
Yeah, my E36. I have the same IRP shifter. It's like one of my favorite mods that I've done. But I've never driven one in like a newer modern car. But yeah, this thing looks freaking good.
You got to try this out.
And that's it. Just a reminder, guys, we are running 2x entries for the BRZ until Sunday night. And then it's done. That's the last time we're doing it for the sweepstakes. So for every $1 you spend, whether you're buying car parts or merchandise like this on throtl.com or hoonigan.com, is going to give you 2 automatic entries to win this thing. So don't miss out. This is your final opportunity to take advantage of the 2x entries to win this car and a check for $20,000. So good luck to you guys. I cannot wait to hand one of you guys the keys.